Bwytais I, Yfais I. In this unit, you will learn another way of expressing the concise past tense. This form is more widely used in South Wales. Dych chi'n cofio? Do you remember? Gwnes I fwyta cinio. Meaning, I ate lunch. Nawr, dysgwch Bwytais I ginio. Also meaning, I ate lunch. With this form, we add an ending to the stem of the verb in order to conjugate verbs in the past tense. Enghraifft, for example, Bwytais I ginio. I ate lunch. Yfais I goffi. I drank coffee. Chwaraeais i'r gêm fwrdd. I played the board game. Sometimes, we add the verb ending directly to the end of the verb. Enghraifft, edrych, to look, edrychais I. Darllen, to read, darllenais I. Chwarae, to play, chwaraeais I. If a verb ends in a vowel, we find the stem by dropping the last vowel. Enghraifft, codi, to get up, codais I. Cysgu, to sleep, cysgais I. If the verb ends with io, the I remains and we drop the o. Enghraifft, nofio, to swim, nofiais I. Gweithio, to work, gweithiais I. If the verb ends with ed or egg, these last two letters disappear and we add the appropriate ending. Enghraifft, clywed, to hear, clywais I. Yfed, to drink, yfais I. There are also some irregular verbs. Enghraifft, gwrando, to listen, gwrandawais I. Gadael, to leave, gadewais I. Aros, to stay, arhosais I. Dweud, to say, to tell, dwedais I. Let's practice some examples. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Darllenais I lyfr. I read a book. Cysgais I yn y prynhawn. I slept in the afternoon. Gwrandawais I ar y radio. I listened to the radio. Da iawn. You can also see that the object of the verb, what or who is affected by the action of the verb, takes a treiglad meddal, soft mutation. Cinio. Bwytais I ginio. Llyfr. Darllenais I lyfr. Dŵr. Yfais I ddŵr. So, to answer a beth wnes ti heddiw or beth wnaethoch chi heddiw question, we can now say, enghraifft, cerddais I yn yr ardd. I walked in the garden. Ffoniais I Rhys. I phoned Rhys. There is a treiglad meddal at the beginning of a direct question. Bwytais ti dost? Did you eat toast? Gerddoch chi yn y parc? Did you walk in the park? Formal. And as with the other concise past form, we answer do or naddo. Bwytais ti dost? Do. Bwytais I dost? Naddo. Bwytais I ddim tost. Gerddoch chi yn y parc? Do. Cerddais I yn y parc? Naddo. Cherddais I ddim yn y parc. Verbs that begin with b, d, g, ll, and rh take a treiglad meddal, soft mutation, when they are used in a negative sentence. Enghraifft, bwytais I ddim tost. However, verbs that begin with p, t, and k take a treiglad llais, aspirate mutation, when they are used in a negative sentence. Enghraifft, cherddais I ddim yn y parc. Da iawn. There was a lot to learn in this video. Dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo eto I adolygu. You can watch the video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc!